In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the email address on Facebook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, open the Facebook app and click on your profile. Now scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Now click on See More in Account Center and click Personal Details. Now click on Contact Info and click on Add New Contact and select Add Email. Now type your email address and choose the account for this email and click on Next. Then Facebook will send you a verification code on your corrected Gmail account. Now open your Gmail account and get the verification code and click on Continue. Now click on this Next button. Again, Facebook will send you a confirmation code to the new email address. Now open the new email account which you just add and get the verification code and paste it here and click on Next. Now you successfully add a new email address on your Facebook account and click on Close button. Now click on your old email account and delete the email. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily change the email address on Facebook.